Hey guys, so as promised, I am finished uploading and editing to the best of my capabilities. The time that I spent over at Hansen Law office up in Mesa, Arizona, it was a great day that I had over there. And please excuse my videos. I had just drank some coffee before going in there and I was chewing on gum. So you'll hear me smacking on gum throughout some of the video. But I'm really just trying to give you guys an overview of what walking into an attorney's office is like, the kind of process that they go through when signing and executing their trust packages, and some of the expectations that they present. What I'm going to do for this one is as well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate I had an interview with one of the legal assistants there. I'm going to separate that into an entirely different video because it was a bit longer. So this video here is just going to be kind of the walkthrough and overview of what my time in the law office was like. And then in a separate video, I'm going to do the whole interview with the legal assistant. Her name was Laura. So please enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think and where I could have done better and what you guys want to see more of in the future. But thank you and enjoy.
Hey guys, I just got over to Hansen Law Firm. Really beautiful place in here. I'm up in Mesa, Arizona, so this is a real treat to be here today. Did graciously open their doors today, so I'll let you guys know what's going on. Snap some pictures and everything. Great spot up here.
So after the signatures, Kimberly and her team, they immediately took the documents, scanned them, reassembled them all into the client's binder within minutes. It was like watching a well-oiled machine. And it's a reminder that it's not enough for us just to stamp and go. As notaries, we need systems that respect our clients' time, protect their documents, and deliver a flawless experience.
Hey guys, I just sat through two full trust package executions, and some things that are sticking out to me already are how much clients value speed. The last client who just came in, she said, I really appreciate how quickly you guys got everything taken care of. I think it happened within a week. And I think this is something for a lot of businesses, and especially for notary businesses like ourselves. We need to be able to deliver quality work, quality service in a very timely fashion. I think speed will trump almost anything in business most of the time, especially when you're dealing with, high value, high ticket clients. They just want things done properly and they want it done now, So far, that's really, and this office has been super fantastic. They get things done amazingly fast, her two assistants here and the attorney and everything like that, they were flipping through those pages like I had never flipped through a loan package or trust document before. So they really got things squared away here and they know what they want. I think for any notaries reaching out to other attorneys or title companies or whoever our business partners are, you should be able to articulate exactly, what you bring to the table, who your partners are that you can also bring on to bring it to the fold, and just be confident in what you can do and what you know. And that'll I think take you further than a lot of things. You shouldn't try to go in there in front and be someone who you're not. You know exactly the services you're providing. What you're doing them, or who you're doing them for. And then the last part on that, just make sure it's the best quality service in the least amount of time possible. Just remember too, guys, it's always important to take care of your family. It's important to get these kind of things done. I'm at the state attorney's office today, and we're dealing with trusts, power of attorneys, last will and testaments, medical directives. It may seem like a daunting cost at first, but the cost of not getting it done when you need it in place is going to be much more heavy on your soul and on your pocketbook. So if you don't have anything like this in place, if you know somebody who needs it in place, reach out to your local estate attorney and get these things taken care of.
All right, so sitting down with the team at Hansen Law this weekend, it reinforced something I think we all already knew deep down. And that's professionalism isn't always, and it's not just about fancy titles. It's about preparation, it's about care, it's about speed and trust. I think if you're serious about building a real career in this industry, you have to understand something critical. It's that we as notaries, we're business owners. We're not just contractors chasing down random signings. Every estate attorney's office, every title company, every hospital or elder care facility, they're potential business partners to us and we to them. And they're not just jobs that we pick up. It's our responsibility to create work for ourselves and to bring value to places and to think and act like a professional who belongs in their ecosystem and not just someone asking for scraps, right? And that's what we're focused on inside the Paramount Notary Network on School. We're building a new generation of notaries who operate with strategy, with professionalism, and with true ownership of their careers. And I invite you to join us on School if you're really ready to raise your standards, to deepen your skill, and treat this like a real business.